Hi everyone. Today I will print two versions of rims for RC, scale 16, chassis WPL-C. I couldn't find suitable wheels for this scale, so I decided to create and diversify the range of wheels myself. After I removed the rims from the platform, I heated the supports a bit with a hairdryer in order to remove the supports without problems. Next, I sanded the areas where the supports were located to get a smooth surface. Now it's time to remove the standard wheel. I remove the wheel rim from the wheel tire. I check how the printed wheel fits the standard tire of the car, and after install the new wheel on the chassis. I like it. It looks amazing. Let's test the second version of the wheel. Just a reminder that all files are available for download. Besides scale 16, several scales 24 and 64 are available. The link is in the profile header. Subscribe. Leave a comment, like. Thanks for watching.